Hello and welcome back. Today let's just try out this exercise inside Fusion 360. So let's boom. Click on design and sketch proper plane, rectangle, dimension it 76, this is 64, and finish the sketch. Click on home, extrude it, and the extrusion is 72. Now again I will sketch this plane, and this time I will do one thing to add center rectangles like this and like this. Now I will click on the rectangle, center rectangle, add a rectangle and dimension it 50 by 36. This side is 50 and this is 36. Finish the sketch. Again extrude this section, create a cutout. As cut is selected over here. This is fine. Again sketch, choose this plane, a rectangle, right, and dimension it. This is 76, right, and this distance is 56. I will finish it, extrude it like this, and this is -18. Okay, now I will click on the fillet, choose this and this, and 76 by 2, 76 by 2 is 38, right? This is fine. And now I want to create a cutout on this face. Sketch, choose this face, draw a circle like this and dimension it, right, and from the top to here this is 36 and this diameter is 25, and from here till here this is 32, and I will sketch, extrude this face, create through all cut. Okay, see, this is fine. And at the last I will create a rib, construct mid plane, choose this face, press and hold control key in this face, a plane is at the middle. Okay, sketch this middle plane and add a sketch line like this, and this, and this. Now dimension it. This is 72 minus 18, right, and this is, you already know, this is 56, and I will finish the sketch. Click on extrude and symmetry, and this must be 11.